Alright, so the first topic we're going to discuss right now is the language of the system. So I suggest that since Bahasa Melayu and English is the most widely used language in Malaysia, right? We should implement those two as the default language for our system. So what do you guys think?
Yeah, the stakeholders, they didn't mention anything about language in the requirements, so I think we need to ask them during the interview.
Yes, that is correct.
Maybe we can suggest them to add one Chinese language.
Yes, it depends on them.
Yeah.
We can offer.
If it's for Chinese schools, to offer the Chinese package, language package.
Yeah, would be great. Another question is security problem. They stated that anybody can access the system using just the birth certificate number. So it means anybody can access my account and check my results.
It's unsafe.
So, yeah, I don't think it's okay. So
probably we just implement a login system with login ID and password. It will be more secure than just using the birth certificate number.
yes, and give the login and password to the parents.
Yeah.
So that would be much better. Anything else? Also, I noticed in the requirements that they want only one user to access the account. So it means one user uses the system, he must log out. Then, if another user wants to use it, then he log in. So I don't think it's correct because let's say mother and father they want to access the system at the same time, but the system doesn't support this function.
Yeah.
It's not good. So
we can have multiple users using simultaneously, using the same birth certificate number. Make more sense.
it would be much better. So we asked them about it during the interview. Okay.
Hello, my name is Ding Xue. I'm the leader of High-Tech Engineering Consultant. On the left side is my fellow members from the High-Tech Engineering Consultant. On the right side is the Oriel Education Organization. These are the members. So we are having interview now. It's based on the STRS we have received from the Oriel Education Organization, and now we are going through the elicitation process.
Who will be uploading the attendance, result, and co-curriculum marks?
The teachers will be uploading the results, curriculum marks, and attendance.
Which platform you want the mobile app to?
The mobile app will support both iOS and Android.
In the first deployment, what is including Chinese?
That's a typing error in our part.
What type of primary school should be included?
The primary school that we should include are all public schools in Malaysia, including international and private schools such as Chinese and Tamil schools.
Then which language the application will support? And what will be the default language?
The default language should be in Bahasa Melayu, and there should be an option for English language.
So can the student's exam result be viewed by anybody as long as he or she has the student's birth certificate number?
Yes, they can. Anyone with the birth certificate number can view the result anytime.
So after hearing your answers, we will have some suggestion for you. The suggestion is when the students enter a primary school, they will given a login ID and password. This way so that only their parents are able to view their information instead of viewing it publicly. This way the system will be more secure than only entering the birth certificate number.
I agree with that. So another thing is, right, so can users other than the student's parents actually access the teacher's contact information?
Yes, it will display teachers' information. The purpose is to allow parents to contact them if they have any question regarding their children's academic performance.
Alright, so what I think is a little bit unsafe with this. So what I suggest is that before the user is actually able to access the teacher's information, right, he's required to enter the birth certificate number of the student to confirm that he is actually familiar with the student himself. So this is actually to protect the teacher's own privacy and personal safety. So what do you think about it?
Yes, I agree with that.
After I review your SDRS, the below few points are the things we concern about. So, is a student birth certificate number allowed to be viewed simultaneously by different users?
Yes, only one user can log in at the same time. If another user want to log in, the previous user need to log out first to prevent the server overload.
So our company suggests to add functions so that not only one user can access the system. Let's say the mother and father of the child, they want to log in at the same time. It would be much better for your system. So it's not a problem for us to do it for you.
If you can measure the server, you know.
Yeah, it's okay. It won't be a problem.
We agree with that.
So the next question is also about the project constraints. And it is, should the data be deleted exactly after 10 years, even though there is excess data storage?
Yes. Nobody keeping the academic records since the student have graduated for 10 years because after 10 years the student has graduated from a university. So if the student going to find some job, academy only state the highest education of this student. So we think no need to record.
So after 10 years, how do you want the data will be deleted? Manually by the teacher or automatically by the system?
Yeah, you say automatically it's okay. It's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Won't be a problem for us.
I think that's all.